Listen, as long as I have to keep paying the price of a car note just to keep my nails done, I'm not doing it, baby. I'm not paying for that. No, no. I'm always going to be a press-on girly. I've been meaning to try the Xcoat tips after seeing them on TikTok, so I hopped over on my Amazon account and ordered the nail kit just so I can kind of get everything out of the way. And it's pretty beginner friendly. It came with the portable lamp, the builder gel, top coat, the gel glue, a nail file, and about 150 pieces of nails. And the instructions were pretty easy to follow. My favorite season, fall, is here. So I had to get these skin tone, neutral, tan, and brown colored French tips, which I love off my first impression. The nail gel cured super fast, and you only had to add the builder gel and the top coat and a thicker layer towards the tip of the nail to help it last longer and keep from chipping. I don't know, y'all. They said that this nail glue is supposed to last about 28 to 30 days. So let's see what happens.